Another example is a window used by the Vorbis. So you can take a look at this PDF, which is the Vorbis specification. So the Vorbis is a perceptual audio codec, is intended to allow maximum encoder flexibility, allowing to scale competitively over a wide range of bit rates, and they use windows there as well. And it's given by this equation here. So we have this squared sign, and for L equals to 16, so an example with even length for the window. So we're defining here this equation, and we have this kind of shape, and the frequency response is given here. So here we can see that the main lobe is wider than when compared to the sine window. The first side lobe also has about minus 20 dB stop band attenuation, but the further side lobes, so here we are at more or less minus 20 dB, and the further side lobes increase, and here we are almost on minus 40 dB. So it results in a good stop band attenuation, but it's lacking the additional parameter like we saw with the Kaiser window. So the MPEG AAC audio decoder also uses an optimized window function. It's the so-called Kaiser-Bessel derived window, and it results from numerical optimization.